Hello friends, I am Dr. Manish Agrawal, a prosthodontist. Welcome to the Instrumentor 2.0 series. In this video, we will explore diamond point FO-25.
FO-25 is a flame-shaped quartz diamond point. FO-25 is used to prepare the lingual fossa or surfaces of maxillary incisors. Its flame shape fits exactly into the lingual fossa to achieve the desired clearance.
Don't forget to watch my other videos on diamond points in Instrumentor 2.0. Do like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel for more dental tips.